Yes, I started record. Okay, today our topic is degrees of comparison. This is a topic, one of the topics in grammar. Yeah, some people are joining us, some students. Okay, degree. First of all, let us know what is meant by degree. No student should not write notes. You need not write notes, man, because I will share this material in our WhatsApp group. So don't bother about writing notes. I will share this. Just listen to definitions and examples and main points that I give here. So don't write notes. Just concentrate on listening to what I say here. Right? Yeah. Now I'm going to mute all. Some people recently joined. Done. What is meant by degree? Degree means rank, level, or grade given to the quality of something. For everything, there will be quality. Suppose man, tall, taller, tallest. Suppose you buy apple. Some apples will be sweet, some are more sweet, some are the sweetest. So sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Student, all are students, but there is some level in each student. Like he may be tall, he may be short, he may be clever. When compared, there will be levels like clever, cleverer, cleverest, dull, duller, dullest, smart, smarter, smartest, sharp, sharper, sharpest. Suppose we take bananas. Some bananas, dozen only 40 rupees. Some bananas 80 rupees. Some bananas 60 rupees. Why? Because there is level. There is level in quality. Suppose take rice. Some rice is only 40 rupees. Some rice is 60. Some is 120. Why like that? Because there is degree in their quality. Suppose take fees of some school, private school. Suppose uh, some some schools charge only 30,000, some schools charge 40,000, and more schools charge more than 1 lakh. Why? Because there is difference in the quality. So that quality is, we are comparing those qualities here. So that is why we call it degrees of comparison. First of all, definition: comparison, not comparison. Spelling also, see, COMPARASON, not SION. That is the first point you should remember here. Degrees of comparison. I repeat the definition of degree. Degree means rank, level, or grade given to the quality of something or someone. Got it? Now, keep it simple, our definitions. What is meant by positive degree? Positive degree merely tells or speaks about the quality. It denotes the mere quality of something. Suppose a boy is there, he is a tall boy. Here, tall is adjective. When we talk about degrees of comparison, where lies the comparison? Adjectives: tall, taller, tallest; small, smaller, smallest; new, newer, newest. So we have to concentrate on adjective. So here, some people are joining us. Yes. Here, what is the definition of positive degree? Very simple. It shows the mere existence of quality. It means tall. He is tall. He is clever. She is small. That's all. There is no comparison. It is used when no comparison is made. So when do we use positive degree? When no comparison is made. Like, it is a costly item. She is a lazy person. That's all. There is no comparison like lazier, laziest, costlier, costliest. No comparison is made. Rama is a good boy. That's all. There is quality, good. But here we did not compare. Good. What is compared to better, best? That we talk about later. Just now our principals are also joined. Good evening, sir. So what is positive degree? It shows the mere existence of quality. It is used when no comparison is made. So that is how it goes. Next, we come to comparative degree. It's not comparative degree, comparative degree. Definition first. What is comparative degree? It denotes or shows the highest degree than the positive. What is the definition? Comparative degree shows higher degree than the positive, just higher than positive. What is positive? tall? What is comparative taller? What is positive small? What is comparative smaller? It is used when two things or two persons are compared. Simply saying, it is used when the comparison is made between two things or two persons. So what is definition? It shows higher degree than the positive. It is used when comparison is made between two things or two persons. That is it. We come to superlative degree. It is not superlative degree. Superlative degree. Just superlative degree. It denotes the highest degree of all. Of all. It is used when comparison is made when more than two things are compared. Simply saying, it is used when more than two things are compared. It denotes the highest degree of all, like tallest, smallest, costliest, most, best, smartest, like this. Yeah. So that is how it goes. So I repeat the definitions of positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. First, degrees of comparison. What is degree? Degree means rank, level, or grade given to the quality of something or someone. What is positive degree? It shows the mere existence of quality. It is used when no comparison is made. What is comparative degree? It denotes higher degree than the positive. It is used when the comparison is made between two things. And what is superlative degree? It denotes the highest degree of all. It is used when more than two things or two persons are compared. So that is how the definitions go. Next, we come to formation of adjectives. How to form this positive, superlative, comparative, superlative. You can see the list here. Sweet, positive. Comparative, higher than positive, so sweeter. Superlative, sweetest, it means the sweetest of all. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Great, greater, greatest. Old, older, oldest. Tough, tougher, toughest. So some adjectives cannot be added er or s directly, like how I will show here. When we cannot add er and st directly, yeah, can you hear me? Yes, there is a break. Yes. So when you students, some people are scribbling on here. Don't touch your screen. Yeah. When you cannot form comparative positive directly by using er or st, here is the way. More and most. For comparative, more. For superlative, most. Splendid, more splendid. Most splendid. Beautiful, more beautiful. Most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult. Most difficult. Famous, more famous. Most famous. Precious, more precious. Most precious. And so there are some irregular comparison like this: good, better, best, or well, better, best, bad, worse, worst, evil, worse, worst, little, less, least, much more, most, many more, most. Got it? Now we go to degrees of comparison, how exercises are given. I will start. I will give running notes. You do not write any notes, man. Just follow what I say. I will share this material, so do not try to write any running notes. Do not try to write any running notes. I will give you here examples how to write it. So first of all, positive degree. We are talking about model 1. We're talking about here. Wait, some students are joining us. Please give me a moment. Yes. Model 1. We are talking about model 1 first. What is modal 1? Positive degree. Positive degree. How positive degree is given in first model? Look at here. No other king, no other king is so great as Ashoka. I am using present tense here to avoid difficulty. Just no other king is so great as Ashoka. This is the sentence given. First of all, we should find where the adjective is. Here it is great. How it is? It is in the simplest form, great. So what degree is it? Positive. There is an easy method to find whether the given sentence is in positive, comparative or superlative. Very easy. Pause means as. That is how we should remember the shortcut. Positive. As. Here, so as is equal to as. Both are same. But when we use no or not negative, we should use so as. If you write as here, that is also correct. There is nothing wrong. That is also correct. But this is more correct. Which one? When we use no or not, so is better. Both are right only. This is better. So what does that mean? No other king is so great as Ashoka means you bring any other king here. Ashoka is great. There is no comparison. Great, there is no comparison. But in sentence there is comparison. In adjective there is no comparison. So that is positive. And another way I told you already. So as means positive degree. Some students are joining late. Now let us talk about comparative degree in model 1. Comparative. Very simple, dear students. Comparative. Plus than. Compare means plus than. Pause means as. Compare means So let's see here. Ashoka is compare. So greater. Ashoka is greater. Why it is comparative degree? Greater than any other king. Ashoka is greater than any other king. Why we use because this is comparative degree, and whenever there is comparative degree you should use than. So Ashoka is greater than any other king. Now talk about superlative degree. Ashoka is, I told you already, superlative means the highest degree of all. So Ashoka is the greatest king of all, or you can simply say the greatest king. That is optional. You can stop at the Ashoka is the greatest king, or of all means of all kings. This is model 1. What should you identify in model 1? In model 1 there are some keywords we should remember. No other in positive, and any other in comparative, and in superlative the greatest. So pause means as, comparative means compare means plus than, superlative short form st. So simplest, greatest, tallest, st, superlative st. That is how you should remember. Now got it? Model 1. And shortcuts. What are the shortcuts in model 1? No other, any other, the best. I repeat, pause, as, comparative, plus than, superlative st, the best. And keywords in model 1, no other, any other, the best. Positive, comparative, superlative. No other, any other, the best. This is model 1. Now I give you one question. See here. Sita is the cleverest girl in the class. In the class. Now, can you tell me which degree is this? Can you tell me? Just send me a message. Just send me message. Yeah, some students are still joining. So send me message, man. I'm waiting for a message. Which degree is this? Positive compared to superlative. Which degree is this? Can you send me a message? No, I did not get any message. I cannot unmute you because you will make a lot of noise and it will be a disturbance to us. Okay, I will tell you how to identify. The cleverest. In which form this is in? Which form is this in? The best, the fastest, the strongest. So this is superlative. And which model is this? The best. First model. What is first model? No other, any other, the best. So this is superlative degree and it is in first model. And what is first model? Man, do not touch your screen. None of you should touch your screen. Don't touch. So this is superlative degree and first model. First model means no other, any other, the best. So this is superlative. Let us start with positive. Positive means as and no other. So how can we write this? No other girl and whatever is there in the world, in the class, in the city should follow it. No other girl in the class is positive. I told you pos means as or so as. When is so as? When there is negative like no or not means so as is better. If you write as also, no problem. No other girl in the class is so clever as Sita. I will tell the meaning in Telugu later. Let me complete this. So first one is superlative. Second one is compare, positive. Now compare. Compare means plus than. So Sita is cleverer than. First model. No other, any other, the best. So any other girl in the class. So that is how we should write the answers. Model 1 means no other, any other, the best. Pos means as or so as. Compare means or plus than. Superlative means st. Now we go to model 2. Students are still joining us. Give me a moment. Yes. Now model 2. Model 2. As I have already explained you about what is positive, what is. Students, do not touch your screen. I said I will get the report who is touching the screen, who is scribbling on the screen. I will come to know who is doing that. I'll take action. Do not touch your screen. Just listen to it. Do not write notes also. Now model 2. I will tell keywords after giving sentence. Positive first. Positive means you know as. Let us take one. Gopi. Okay, positive degree. Very few students are as lazy as Gopi. Before going to second model, I will tell you, as a promise, I will tell you the meaning of first model in Telugu. No other king. Look at this sentence, man. Yeah. No other king is so great as Ashoka. That means ఏ ఒక్క రాజు కూడా అశోకుడంతటి గొప్పవాడు కాదు. కంపారిటివ్. అశోక ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఎనీ అదర్ కింగ్. అశోకుడు ఏ ఒక్క రాజు కన్నా కూడా గొప్పవాడు. అంటే నువ్వు ఎవరైనా ఏ రాజుని తీసుకున్నా అతని కంటే ఇతనే గొప్పవాడు. సూపర్లేటివ్. అశోక ఈజ్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ కింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. అంటే రాజులందరిలో కల్లా అశోకుడే అత్యంత గొప్పవాడు. సో ద బెస్ట్ ఆర్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ మీన్స్ అత్యంత గొప్పవాడు. టాలెస్ట్ మీన్స్ అత్యంత పొడుగైన వాడు. క్లవరెస్ట్ మీన్స్ అత్యంత తెలివైన వాడు. గాట్ ఇట్? క్లవర్ అంటే తెలివైన, క్లవరర్ అంటే అంతకంటే తెలివైన, cleverest అంటే అత్యంత తెలివైన, ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మీరు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ మోడల్. But here in second model, if you can see, very few students, very few students are as lazy as Gopi. అంటే వెరీ ఫ్యూ అంటే అతి కొద్ది మంది మాత్రమే. నో అదర్ అంటే ఎవడూ లేడని అర్థం. నో అదర్ మీన్స్ ఎవరూ లేరని. వెరీ ఫ్యూ అంటే అతి కొద్ది మంది మాత్రమే గోపి అంత బద్ధకస్తులు. ఇఫ్ ఐ సే no other student is as lazy as Gopi, if I say like that, ఏ ఒక్క స్టూడెంట్ కూడా గోపి అంత బద్ధకంగా లేడు అని అర్థం వస్తుంది. బట్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ మోడల్ వెరీ ఫ్యూ స్టూడెంట్స్ అంటే అతి కొద్ది మంది మాత్రమే అతను అంత బద్ధకంగా ఉంటారు. దిస్ ఈస్ పాజిటివ్ యూ కెన్ సే బికాస్ యాజ్ ఈస్ దేర్. కంపారిటివ్, యాజ్ I explained earlier, compare means other plus than, so Gopi is lazier than, there no other, any other, the best, but here it changes, any other or most other students. Yeah, one key point here, whenever we use superlative we should use definite article the most, the cleverest, the fastest, that is compulsory. Got it? I will show it here. Do not touch the screen, I said. Yeah, this is superlative. See, the greatest. This is superlative. See, the cleverest. So whenever we use superlative degree, we should use different article the. Got it? Here in second model, first model keywords I explained you. No other, any other, the best. But in second model it changes. I will give the keywords after writing the superlative. I will also give meaning of these sentences. Don't worry. Gopi is one of the laziest students. Superlative means the best, as I explained you, the best. Here the laziest. But here what came as an extra, you know, one of the laziest, one of the laziest. And here I will explain this. You will get some confusion here, but I will explain that and clear that. Very few. First model, no other, any other, the best. Second model, very few, many other, one of the best. I repeat, second model, very few, many other or most other, one of the best. Most other means not superlative. When it becomes superlative, when there is the definite article, then you can say this. Most other means chala. I will give the meaning, then you will understand. Gopi is lazier than many other students. అంటే చాలా మంది కంటే ఇతనే లేజీ. ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ మోడల్ గోపి ఈజ్ లేజియర్ దాన్ ఎనీ అదర్ స్టూడెంట్. ఏ ఒక్క స్టూడెంట్ కన్నా కూడా గోపియే లేజీ అని అర్థం. బట్ హియర్ సెకండ్ మోడల్ ఇట్ చేంజెస్. చాలా మంది కంటే గోపియే లేజీ. ఇఫ్ ఐ సే ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ మోడల్ గోపి ఈజ్ ద లేజియెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్, అత్యంత బద్ధకస్తుడు, అందరు స్టూడెంట్స్ లో కల్లా అత్యంత బద్ధకస్తుడు గోపి అని వస్తుంది. బట్ హియర్ గోపి ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద లేజియెస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మీన్స్ అత్యంత బద్ధకస్తులైనటువంటి స్టూడెంట్స్ లో గోపి ఒక్కడు. అక్కడ గోపి ఒక్కడే అందరికంటే బద్ధకస్తుడు, అశోక ఒక్కడే అత్యంత గొప్పవాడు. ఇఫ్ ఐ సే అశోక ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ కింగ్స్, అత్యంత గొప్ప రాజులలో అశోకుడు కూడా ఒక్కడు. అక్కడ ఆయన ఒక్కడే అత్యంత గొప్పవాడు, కానీ ఇక్కడ అత్యంత గొప్పవాడులో ఈయనొక్కడు. గాట్ ఇట్ మ్యాన్? ఐ రిపీట్, ఫస్ట్ మోడల్ no other, any other, the best. Second model, very few, many other, one of the best. And one more important thing you should remember here, whenever you use one of the, and there should be a plural here. One of the friends, one of my friends, one of the best students, one of the cleverest boys. There should be definitely be plural. One of my uncles, one of my sisters, one of my friends, like that. Whenever you use one of the, there should be plural object. Got it? Now I give one sentence here. The Hindu is faster than many other newspapers. Fast means here fast in getting news. Got it? So when a sentence is given, you should identify first what degree it is. Faster than, plus than. So comparative. Next, what model is that? I give you keywords for a model. First model, no other, any other the best. Second model, very few, many other, one of the best. There you can see many other. So obviously this is second model. We got it right. So this is second model. What is second model? Very few, many other, one of the best. Now start with very few. Yeah, very few. What is object? Newspapers. So very few newspapers are positive. Means as fast as the Hindu. Got it? You know how we wrote it, right? This is positive, so fast. This is second model, so as fast as. Very few we use keyword. Superlative. Yeah, somebody sent message. Give a moment. Yes. Yeah, we have less. We have only 7 minutes. There are 5 models today. Let us do as much as possible. Yes. Superlative degree is left. What is superlative? One of the. So the Hindu is one of the fastest newspapers. As I told you earlier, one of the, whenever you use one of the, you should use plural. So Hindu is one of the fastest newspapers. I will explain the meaning. I will compare first model, second model. First model, no other paper newspaper is as fast as the Hindu. అంటే ఏ ఒక్క పేపర్ కూడా హిందూ అంత ఫాస్ట్ గా లేదు. కంపారిటివ్, ద హిందూ ఈజ్ ఫాస్టర్ దెన్ ఎనీ అదర్ న్యూస్ పేపర్. ఏ పేపర్ కన్నా కూడా హిందూనే ఫాస్ట్ గా. సూపర్లేటివ్, ద హిందూ ఈజ్ ద ఫాస్టెస్ట్ న్యూస్ పేపర్. న్యూస్ పేపర్స్ అన్నిటిలో కల్లా అత్యంత వేగవంతమైనది హిందూ. బట్ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ సెకండ్ మోడల్ హియర్. ద వెరీ ఫ్యూ న్యూస్ పేపర్స్ ఆర్ యాజ్ ఫాస్ట్ యాజ్ ద హిందూ. అంటే అతి కొన్ని పేపర్లు మాత్రమే హిందూ అంత వేగంగా ఉన్నాయి. ద హిందూ ఈజ్ ఫాస్ట్ దెన్ మెనీ అదర్ న్యూస్ పేపర్స్. చాలా న్యూస్ పేపర్స్ కంటే కూడా హిందూయే ఫాస్ట్ గా ఉంది. అక్కడ ద హిందూ ఈజ్ ద ఫాస్టెస్ట్ న్యూస్ పేపర్ అన్నిటికంటే ఎక్కువ. అది హూ ఈజ్ టచింగ్ ద స్క్రీన్? ఐ విల్ చెక్ హూ ఈజ్ టచింగ్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది క్లాస్ ఇస్ ఓవర్. ఐఎమ్ రికార్డింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. డోంట్ డూ ఎనీ మిస్chievous థింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. Here, if I say the Hindu is the fastest newspaper, అత్యంత వేగవంతమైనది. But here, the Hindu is one of the fastest newspapers. అత్యంత వేగవంతమైన న్యూస్ పేపర్స్ లో హిందూ ఒకటి. అక్కడ అదొక్కటే అత్యంత వేగమైనది, కానీ ఇక్కడ అత్యంత వేగమైన వాటిల్లో ఇది ఒకటి. Now we go to model 3. Don't bother about writing notes, man. I will share the material, so don't worry about that. Positive. Let us talk about positive in model 3. Some other actors are at least. This is optional. At least is optional. Optional means you can write it or you can opt out. Some other actors are at least as charming or as daring as Vikram. As Vikram. Some other actors are at least as daring as Vikram. Some other means ఇంకొంతమంది. No other means ఎవరు లేరు. వెరీ ఫ్యూ మీన్స్ అతి కొద్ది మంది మాత్రమే. సమ్ అదర్ మీన్స్ ఇంకొంతమంది కూడా. ఇంకొంతమంది యాక్టర్స్ కూడా విక్రమ్ అంత డేరింగ్ గా ఉన్నారు అని చెప్పుకున్నాం. లెట్ us talk about comparative. Sorry. Vikram is more daring. As I told you here, formation of adjective, we cannot use E or ST here. So Vikram is more daring than some other actors. Now talking about superlative. Superlative degree. Vikram is not more daring than some other actors. I will give the meaning. Sorry. Here Vikram is not more daring. Here Vikram is not most daring. My bad. So here I will give you meaning here. Comparative. Vikram is not more daring than some other actors. It means విక్రమ్ అనే యాక్టర్ మిగిలిన యాక్టర్స్ కంటే ఎక్కువ డేరింగ్ కాదు మిగిలిన వాళ్ళకంటే, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు ఇతరంత ధైర్యంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈయన వాళ్ళకంటే డేరింగ్ కాదు. అలాగే సూపర్లటివ్కి వస్తే ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ మనం ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేసుకుందాం. లెట్ us రిపీట్ ఫస్ట్ మోడల్. విక్రమ్ ఈజ్ ద మోస్ట్ డేరింగ్ యాక్టర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ మోడల్. ఇట్ మీన్స్ అందరిలో కల్లా విక్రమే అత్యంత డేరింగ్ అని. బట్ హియర్ విక్రమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ మోస్ట్ డేరింగ్ యాక్టర్. విక్రమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద మోస్ట్ daring actor. What does this mean? అంటే డేరింగ్ లేదా డేరింగ్ యాక్టరే కానీ అత్యంత డేరింగ్ యాక్టర్ కాదు. బికాస్ సమ్ అదర్ యాక్టర్స్ ఆర్ అట్లీస్ట్ యాజ్ డేరింగ్ యాజ్ హిమ్. ఇంకొంతమంది కూడా ఇతరంత డేరింగ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈయన మిగిలిన వాళ్ళకంటే డేరింగ్ కాదు. ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది. ఇన్ కంపారిటివ్ అండ్ సూపర్లటివ్ వి గెట్ నెగిటివ్ హియర్. లైక్ విక్రమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ మోర్ డేరింగ్ దాన్ సమ్ అదర్ యాక్టర్స్. విక్రమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ the most daring actor. I will give you another example, then you can easily understand that. See, I will give you positive. Ramu is not the cleverest boy in the class. I'll give a simple example. Ramu is not the cleverest boy in the class. It means he is clever, but not the cleverest. You know the meaning. The cleverest means అత్యంత తెలివైన వాడు. So comparative. Keywords in model 3. Keywords. Some other, not better than some other, and we have less than 1 minute, man. The class will be disconnected at any time, so don't worry about that. Yes. So comparative. How comparative? Ramu is not more clever than some other boys in the class. Superlative. I mean, superlative is already over, man. My mistake. This is superlative.